Hey everyone, welcome back. If you love discovering smart gadgets that make your kitchen life easier, then you'll love today's list of best Amazon finds. From odor eliminators to smart kitchen tools, these products are practical, affordable, and make daily cooking so much simpler. All product links are in the description below, so you can check them out anytime. Let's get started. Refrigerator Deodorizer. This is the Refrigerator Deodorizer, your long-term solution for eliminating embarrassing fridge odors. This clever gadget uses natural activated charcoal to purify the air, which is far more powerful and safer than chemical sprays. The key feature is its 10-year lifespan. You just buy it once and enjoy a decade of freshness, saving you money on constant replacements. It's also compact and fits neatly anywhere in your fridge or freezer. The biggest benefit is a cleaner, odor-free environment for your food, ensuring your groceries taste exactly as they should without absorbing unwanted smells. Collapsible Splatter Guard Lid. This is the Collapsible Splatter Guard Lid. It's here to stop microwave messes once and for all. If you're tired of scrubbing the inside of your microwave, this cover is essential. Its main feature is its collapsible design, allowing it to flatten almost completely, saving tons of valuable cabinet space. It's made from food-grade silicone and features steam vents for perfect, even heating. The benefit is quick cleanup and perfectly heated food every time. Silicone Utensil Rest with Drip Pad. This is the Silicone Utensil Rest with Drip Pad, the simple yet brilliant tool for keeping your counters clean while you cook. It solves the messy problem of where to set down your stirring spoons and ladles. The excellent feature is its design, which holds multiple utensils, up to 4 at once, and the raised drip pad captures all the sauces and drips. It's made from heat-resistant, non-slip silicone and is completely dishwasher safe. The major benefit is a sanitary, organized cooking area. You can focus on your recipe without worrying about making a mess or contaminating your counters. Mini Donut Maker Machine. This is the Mini Donut Maker Machine, the ultimate appliance for fun, quick, and kid-friendly treats. Instead of deep frying, this machine bakes 7 adorable mini donuts in just minutes, making it a healthier option. The standout feature is the non-stick cooking surface, which ensures flawless release of the donuts and makes cleanup incredibly easy. It's small, cute, and simple enough for children to use with supervision. The benefit is instant gratification. You can whip up fresh, warm snacks, desserts, or a sweet breakfast faster and easier than ever before. SUSTEAS Rotary Cheese Grater. This is the SUSTEAS Rotary Cheese Grater, a safety-first solution for grating cheese and shredding vegetables quickly. Say goodbye to nicked knuckles and tiring hand grating. This model features 5 interchangeable, well-designed stainless steel blades for different cuts, and a powerful suction base that locks securely to your counter for stability. The main benefit is dramatically faster, effortless food prep. You can process large amounts of cheese or vegetables in seconds with much less risk. It truly makes a tough kitchen task easy and safe. Oil Sprayer for Cooking. This is the oil sprayer for cooking, a must-have for healthy cooking and perfect for use with air fryers and non-stick pans. This bottle gives you precise control over your oil use, unlike pouring directly from a bottle. It features a mechanism that delivers a fine, even mist of oil, ensuring light coverage and helping you manage your fat intake. It works with any type of cooking oil, vinegar, or even lemon juice. The benefit is healthier meals and better cooking results. A light, even coating of oil is key for perfectly roasted vegetables and crispy air-fried food. Electric Kettle with Tea Infuser. This is the electric kettle with tea infuser, a modern upgrade for any tea or coffee lover. This multifunctional kettle doesn't just boil water, it perfects your hot beverage routine. A key feature is the integrated stainless steel tea infuser, allowing you to steep loose leaf tea right inside. It boasts a removable lid for simple, thorough cleaning and built-in boil-dry protection for safety. The benefit is speed, efficiency, and convenience. You get perfectly boiled water and a great cup of tea from one stylish appliance that quickly becomes your countertop hero. Instant Pot Pro Cooker. This is the Instant Pot Pro Cooker, the kitchen's ultimate multitasker that combines numerous appliances into one. It functions as a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, and more. The Pro model includes advanced features like preset programs for consistent results and a premium stainless steel inner pot. The main benefit is incredible time savings. It can cook food up to 70% faster than conventional methods, turning complicated recipes into simple weeknight dinners while retaining maximum flavor and nutrients. Collapsible Kitchen Funnel Set. This is the Collapsible Kitchen Funnel Set, a brilliant set of accessories that prevents messy spills during food and liquid transfers. If you've ever struggled to pour spices or oil into a small bottle opening, you need these. The standout feature is the collapsible silicone design, which allows the funnels to be completely flattened for super easy storage in any drawer. The set includes various sizes for different tasks. The benefit is a mess-free, efficient kitchen. These food-grade funnels save you from wasting ingredients and spending time wiping down counters after pouring liquids. Hamilton Beach Electric Vegetable Chopper. This is the Hamilton Beach Electric Vegetable Chopper, a compact tool that takes the hard work out of food prep. Instead of tedious manual chopping, this small machine makes quick work of your ingredients. It features an efficient motor and sharp stainless steel S-blade to chop onions, garlic, nuts, and make sauces in seconds. The bowl is easy to wash and the size is great for storing. The biggest benefit is the huge time and effort savings it offers. You can prepare ingredients faster and with consistent results, significantly speeding up your dinner routine. Spring Chef Vegetable Peeler. This is the Spring Chef Vegetable Peeler, proof that simple gadgets can be game changers. This peeler is designed for maximum performance and comfort. It features an ultra-sharp dual stainless steel blade that swivels to glide effortlessly over any fruit or vegetable shape. The soft, ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable, secure grip, reducing hand fatigue. The benefit is a much quicker, safer, and more enjoyable prep experience. You'll get perfect, thin peels without wasting produce or risking accidents. Chefman Deep Fryer Basket Strainer. This is the Chefman Deep Fryer Basket Strainer, ideal for safely and easily making crispy, perfectly fried treats at home. This fryer gives you professional control over the frying process. Key features include an adjustable temperature dial for precise cooking and a built-in timer to prevent burning. It also has a convenient removable oil container for safe filtering and cleanup. The benefit is delicious, restaurant-quality fried food cooked with built-in safety features and a design that makes the usually messy cleanup surprisingly simple. Home Hero 54 Pieces Utensils Set. This is the Home Hero 54-piece kitchen utensils set, a massive, all-in-one collection that instantly equips your entire kitchen. This isn't just a few tools, it's a comprehensive 54-piece set, including everything from spoons and spatulas to a full knife set and measuring cups. The tools are made from durable, high-quality stainless steel and are built to last a lifetime. The major benefit is the sheer value and convenience of getting a complete, matching set of necessary, professional-grade tools. It's the perfect foundation for any new kitchen or a complete upgrade for an old one.